My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 BMW 4 Series convertible. This is the M Sport Edition. It has done just under 74,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen we can get quick access to navigation, Bluetooth, media, radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with the parking sensors. We also have heated seats on either side and a variation of different driving modes to choose from. This is where we control the convertible roof. As we go into the back, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.